Good morning and welcome to this session of Money, Sex, Power. We are learning success from the richest man who ever lived. Today is day 8, so we will read from chapter 8. Sometimes in life we want some wise person to guide us and lead us. And some people, they look very wise, they act very smart, they emanate their knowledge, they just impress you so much. So you think he is very wise, she is very wise, and you follow them. And soon you find that they land you in a place which is very difficult for you to come back. You go through a loss. If he is a business consultant, I tell you, he'll finish you. You have to even shut down your business. When you take counsel and advice from such street smart, wise and intelligent people. So it is very important that you need to know who is a wise man. Before ever following anybody, you should know who is a wise, how to evaluate a wise man. Today we will learn about this. In this passage, the wise man is talking about the real wise people, how they talk, how they behave, how their values are. So from this you can always understand who is a real wise person and who is not. Let us go through chapter 8 verse 6, 7, 8 and 9. Here it says how wisdom talks. Okay. Let me read. Listen, because I will speak of noble things. Now we can always understand how wise and smart and intelligent the person is by the what they talk. When they talk noble things. That means high things, which are forward things, which are upward things, which are big and great things. The opposite of noble is cheap talk, silly behavior. The moment you hear cheap talk, you should know that person is not a wise man. They won't talk cheap, they won't talk silly. They actually don't put their eyes and their focus on trivial things. They put their focus on big things, noble things of life. The second thing is, my lips open when I say upright things. Now what are upright things? Upright things are the right things are up, the wrong things are down. So many times, people come and talk about ideas and strategies which is against the law of the land, which is against what generally human beings think. It is against humanity. It is just like, cheating the whole community, cheating the government. However big those guys are, I tell you, they are not wise, they are crooks. They will be exposed and they will come on the road very soon. So if you follow such people, naturally you will also follow them to come on the road. My friends, you should have the real wise people to guide you. Now the next thing is, my mouth speaks what is trustworthy. What is trustworthy? It can be so much trusted that you can base your life on that. So that is how wise people talk. It is trustworthy, it is stable things. Not, when it is not trustworthy, when it is shaky, that is not the time you need to get into those things. You cannot enter into a shaky deal, because a shaky deal will shake more, and one day it will vanish. Many people, they get into shaky deals. They put shaky deals. They put agreement with shaky people. They are not stable. They will talk anything tomorrow. Today they will say something. I'll tell you something. When you follow these people, I tell you, you are going to be in a loss. And it is also saying, all the words of my mouth are just. That means it talks justice. It talks about win-win situation. I'll tell you one more thing. There are many business we can do in this earth today and really make a lot of money. It is not that you need to make an illegal business to make huge profits. No. You can do a good business, and really by your administration skills and your finance skills and your investment skills, you can really make a lot of money in this world today. I tell you, every one of us can become a billionaire. There is no need for you to do a wrong business or unethical business or a business which the government doesn't agree. You need to, bribe the police and bribe the authorities. I tell you, this is all not of God. The wise people will not do that. Then it says, and wickedness is disgusting to my lips. In fact, wickedness is actually disgusting to wisdom. I tell you, wise people, they talk the right things. And let us go ahead. It says, all the words of my mouth are just, and there is nothing twisted or misleading. What is it twisted? Many things have double meaning. They are talking perverted things. They mean something and do something. They have somebody in the front, somebody in the back. The business looks like some business and you're doing some other business. Sometimes to the eyes of the society and the government, it looks all very good, but inside there is a lot of nonsense going on. I tell you, such people, if they become your business consultant, I think sooner or later, you will vanish from this earth. Your business will disappear. We should know it. Today, many people are making money, but many people are not making money the right way. They are making the money the wrong way. I'll tell you, wisdom has nothing to do with all these things. And it says it will not be misleading. Misleading means take somebody in the wrong direction. They will say, invest your money here. We are going to make you a millionaire. I tell you, they are going to run away from the town. These businesses are not right. Many people, they have no ethics, they have no things which can take them in the right direction. So my friend, first of all, save yourself from the wrong people, from their wrong advice, from their mean advice, from their foolish advice. The wise man is saying, the wisdom talks right. So it is important that you understand who this consultant is, who this friend is, who this partner is, who this colleague is, before ever getting into an agreement with them. Thank you for joining us. Hope you enjoyed this session. We will meet tomorrow, same time. God bless you.